FRS Roofing Plus Gutters is your local expert, ready to help if you're looking for reliable roofing services in Winchester, Massachusetts. Winchester is home to many historical buildings and has a humid subtropical climate that can impact the condition of its roofs. As a reputable roofing contractor, we provide the best advice on roofing materials suited for your specific needs. Our experienced team understands the unique roofing needs of Winchester's homes and buildings. A good contractor will assess the condition of your roof and recommend the best course of action, whether that be repair or replacement. We ensure correct and efficient installation, offering long-lasting protection for your property. We use high-quality materials to ensure durability and enhance the appearance of your home. Our comprehensive services include roof replacement, repair, and regular maintenance. From minor repairs to complete roof overhauls, our team is equipped to handle it all. We also specialize in gutter installation and maintenance, preventing water damage to your home. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we work closely with you to meet your expectations. Our commitment to excellence guarantees unparalleled service and superior craftsmanship. Trust our professionals for all your roofing services in Winchester. We're dedicated to keeping your home safe and beautiful. Ready for your new roof? Call us at 781-322-6252 today. Visit us at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Winchester for more information. FRS Roofing Plus Gutters. Quality roofing solutions for Winchester.